A computer system consists of all of the essential components of a computer and how they are integrated with one another for the device to function essentially and effectively. Such components can be classified as hardware and software. In addition, the emergence of World Wide Web, or simply known as Internet, had brought forth more innovations in computer programming. The increasing demands of this online superhighway when it comes to sharing and communicating information that has forced programmer to explore the potentials of Java programming language. Evolution of computer programming languages 1954 to 1957. John Backus with IBM team developed Fortran, which was considered the first modern computer programming language, but definitely it was not user friendly. 1959. Grace Hopper at Remington Rand developed COBOL. Letter B stands for business, which is COBOL's primary feature that included processing records of customers, employees, and more. In 1972, Dennis Ritchie at AT&T Bell Laboratories developed the C programming language. In 1986, Bijarin Strostrup at AT&T Bell Laboratories developed C++ that supported object-oriented programming (OOP). In 1995, it was exactly on May 23rd that Sun Microsystems released the first official version of Java programming language that is considered as an improvement of C++. In 2002, Microsoft introduced C Sharp, a new language named that inherited most of its programming features from Java. In 2007, Google started developing apps on Android mobile devices using Java language. In 2010, Oracle Corporation incorporated Java technology into Oracle family by purchasing Sun Microsystems in January. In 2010, eWeek ranked Java in June as first among its top 10 programming languages to keep you employed. In 2013, more than 1.1 billion desktop computers and 250 million mobile phones have been using Java platform since August 2013. Emergence of Java technology. When IT experts realized in early 1990s that there is a big demand in making people's lives less complicated by introducing intelligence to everyday home appliances, Sun Microsystems collaborated with a team of researchers to start the Green Project. This is sort of a secretive assignment aimed to develop portable home appliance software that will run in embedded processor chips. The program should be flexible enough to adapt the ever changing appliance processor chips, which were getting smaller, cheaper, and more powerful. The team planned to use C++ at first, but its portability issue was blocking their path to success. Thus, they decided to develop a whole new computer programming language. It was in 1991 when Java language was initially conceived by Sun Microsystem through the collaboration of James Gosling, Chris Worth, Patrick Norton, Mike Sheridan, and Ed Frank. Oak was the initial name for the new programming language, which was the tree just outside James Gosling window.